Sorry, I wasn't recording.
It's okay. Can you read the words? Look, what does it say?
You asked me.
Look at her. What is she? Oh, look, Clark.
I am mad.
Mad. Can you make a mad face? She's mad, Clark. Oh, look, what does this say? Let's look at the words. See all of the children? What does it say? Look over here. Let's read the words. Look, Lovey.
You ask.
What does it say?
You are happy.
Yes, that's right. We are laughing. See them laughing? What are they doing in that picture? What are they doing?
Yes.
Laughing. Very. Did you like that story? Do you want to read again?
Okay.
What does that say? What's the
Yeah.
title?
You asked me.
Look at me. Look at me. What does that say?
I am me.
Look at me.
You are happy.
What does it say? What's this word?
You.
What's this word?
You. I am happy.
I am happy.
You asked me.
What's it say?
You asked. You are sad.
I am sad. He's got a sad face, Clark. He's sad. Can you make a sad face?
No.
Okay.
Mommy.
Mommy sad. You want mommy to make? That's mommy sad. Mommy's sad. Can you read this one? Let's read this one.
You asked me.
Look at her. Let's see what emotion she has. Oh, look, Clark.
You are mad.
Read it again. What does it say?
I am mad.
I am mad. Good girl. Oh, what's this say, Lovey? Look. Look here. See all the children? What does this say? See all the children? Can you read this for Mommy? Over here. Look. Mama, Clark, Mita. Can you read the words for Mommy? What does this say, Lovey? Look. All right, here, look. What does this say? Can you read for Mommy? Hi. Can you read the words for Mommy? What does it say? Look, Clark. Let's use your finger. Ready? What does it say?
You are up.
Look at us. Oh, what does it say? What are they doing, Clark? Can you read the words for Mommy?
Yes.
What does it say? What word is this? Can you read that for Mommy? What does it say?
We can roll.
What does it say?
We can read.
Okay, let's use your fingers. Ready? Look at Mommy. Ready? What does that say?
I'm happy.
That's right. We are laughing. Can you laugh for Mommy? Yay, good girl. You can stop that.